Assalamu alaikum students. I hope you all are doing well. I'm Mohammed Saad, your ICT instructor. Today is Monday, 11th of November 2024. In today's lesson, we will learn about two key concepts that help computers work, which is binary system and transistors. Today's notebook work is also related to these concepts, which are binary and conversions. Now, first question is explain why a computer only understands the binary number system. Questions are given on book page number 84, and I will share the this file with you in the WhatsApp chat in the form of PDF. You have to note the answers of these questions on your notebooks. So first question is explain why a computer only understands the binary number system. Now computer only understands and process the information in the binary language, which is also called low level language. Now, in binary language, we have only two states, which is 0 and 1. As we know that computers works with the electricity, computer is an electronic machine. There is an electronic component which is called transistors. Transistor operates two states, which is on and off. 0 means off, 1 means on. Now, as you can see, there is an image on below. This is an image of transistor, and on the right side, this is the image of processor. As you can see, there are so many transistors on this processor. In today's computers consist approximately 10 to 20 billions of transistors in a single chip, in a single processor. And that is the reason computers process data and information so quickly, so fastly. The more the transistors, the more computer is efficient and more it can perform multiple tasks and do multitasking. Next question is that how we can communicate with computers. Now to communicate with computers we need a translator, and that is language translator, because whenever we give instruction, we give input to our computer, it translates from our language into the computer language, which is binary. So now there is a language translators, and there are three language translators, which is compiler, interpreter, and assembler. So these language translators translates our language when we give them the input into the computer language, which is binary, and then when computer process that and gives us the output, it again translates into our language. So now these are the conversions. Second question is describe number system conversion of binary to decimal. That how we can convert binary number into decimal. So first step is we have to write down the binary number. This is a binary number which is 1101. As I have mentioned earlier that 1 means on, 0 means off. So it is on, off, on. We have to convert this into number but decimal. First, we have to write down the number. Then we have to multiply this each bit. This is each bit with 2 and assign them a power. Now, when you assign them the power, you have to start from this right side and start with 0 like this. Each bit multiply by 2 and assign then the power from starting from the 0 and starting from the right side. 0, 1, 2, 3. And after that you have to add the results. As you have seen that this is the binary number, which is the combination of zeros and ones, and this is in our language it is 13, which is in decimal. In decimal we have 10 digits starting from 0 to 9, and in binary we have 2 digits, 0 and 1. So the base value for decimal it's 10, and for the binary the base value is 2. Next question is what is number system? So number system is a way to represent numbers. There are several ways of representing numbers. For example, number 10 can be represented in binary form. Like there are different number systems like hexadecimal, like decimal, and then we have binary. So to represent these numbers, we have number system. Next question is that now we have converted binary into decimal. Now how we can convert decimal into binary? To convert that, we have to follow these steps. Like, like we have this decimal number which is 48, which is in our language it is 48. Now what we have to do? We have to multiply this with, we have to divide this number with 2. Why 2? Because we are converting this number in the binary, and in binary we have two states which is 0 and 1. So dividing this number with 2, we have a remainder which is 0, because 2 multiplied by 24 it is 48 and the remainder is 0. You have to note down the remainder. After that, again dividing by 2, which is 12 times 24, 0 remainder again. And in the last, we have 2, 1 times 2, and the remainder is 1. So now, how to write the number in binary? We have to check the sequence from bottom to top like this, from this to like this, like 1 1 0 0 0 0, because binary number is a combination of zeros and ones. Now in 48, this is in our language, that is 48, and the base value is 10. And when we convert this number in the binary, which is a combination of zeros and ones, this is the binary form of this 48, and the state is on, off, and the base value is 2, because in binary we have only two states, which is 0 and 1. So now I will share this PDF file with you, and you have to note these questions on your notebook. I hope you understand today's lecture. If you have any question or QE, you can leave them in the comments. And Allah Hafiz.